Hi everyone, today we have this platform called MeetGeek and this is the best a notes taker and meeting assistant. Now before we begin, consider heading over to the link in the description that will be getting you extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses on MeetGeek, so make sure to check that out. Now jumping straight onto the platform, you will be able to realize currently it is saying that we do not have any meetings scheduled yet, and that is because this is mainly focused on creating and summarizing your meeting, and whatever you are discussing in the meeting, it will be simply making a really nice summary out of it and displaying that. You can see you have your email summaries, that you can select your language from the main language section on the right side. You have your calendar meetings that are basically scheduled. You can see they have this application support as well on Google Play and App Store. Now talking about simply creating a meeting, you can click on, like for example, these option of past meetings, and here will be basically listed the meetings that are past in the history. So currently you can see it is not showing any meetings since we didn't have any, and in the upcoming we can see the meeting those are being scheduled. You can simply use the extension as well to schedule your meetings. Talking about integrations for even enhanced, you can say, like experience, we have various integrations like for example Google Calendar, Outlook and Zapier and much more. You will be able to see we have some suggested workflows for consulting roles as well. Personalizations, you have your meeting templates, so if you want a head start for different type of meetings, you can directly start from, like for example, your templates. You have your note taker. Of course, this is a platform for AI notes taker and meeting assistant, so it is going to be providing you this type of feature for meeting assistant. You can set your main language, default templates, bot name and much more. Now talking about the reviews for MeetGeek, it has a really nice repo. You can see a standout in the midst of stiff competition. MeetGeek use for CS team and much more. So make sure to give a try to MeetGeek using the link in the description below to get yourself an extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. See you guys around in the next video.